Hello guys, today hello guys, today we are learn about SAP GUI screen. Okay, so first we show the system. This is the SAP system, and in that system first we can click on that one. This is the box. In that box we can maintain any T code. T code means transaction code like BP. I maintain and press enter. If see when I give the command and press enter, then system automatically open the business partner. So see, this is the green button. It's back. If we want to go to back, then we can click on that one and we go back. And same thing, for some time we need to like exit for the same transaction. So in that transaction I'll go again BP, and this is the yellow button. We can click on that one, and this is the exit. Now sometime we need to like cancel. We need to cancel. For I again go to PP, and in that BP we can click on the like organization. Look mean I need to create something. Okay, so then if you see, this is the one red button, it is coming. Okay, so I want to cancel that one. I can click on that one and it should be automatically cancelled. Okay, so I press on that one and system automatically cancel that screen, and system, this is the system give the pop-up. Then I can okay, and system show the back. Okay, so I can exit that one. This is the yellow button. Now what is this is the one new session. This is the right now open one session, and we want to open any screen. Okay, like this is the system. If you want to see, this is the one transaction code BP is open. Now I want to open one more screen. So if I want to one more screen, then I can click here. Okay, so we are here and system automatically open a new screen, and we can also see this is also parallelly open, and this is the new screen. It is opened. One time we can open 6 screen in the SAP. If I click again, then one screen more, system automatically opened. Okay, so this is the SAP in the system. One time we can open 6 screen. If see, I'll show you in the parallelly 1 2 3. One is the BP, and the second is the blank, and third also blank. I can open the ME23, and this is the purchase order number display, purchase order display. I can open that one, and second is the BP. Okay, so parallelly if you see, 2 screen is open. First is the purchase order, and second is the this is the BP, and third is the blank. Okay, so sometime we need to create like we are running the report and we need to open any screen, then we can click on also there, and we can click on that one session, new session, create session. Automatically system create a new like open a new screen. Okay, so and sometime we are working on that one report and reporting very lengthy, then we need to stop. Then we can click on here, and if you see, this is the stop transaction. If we are going to give, then if we are doing any report, then system automatically cancel. Okay, so now I go to exit. That screen is off, that one. Okay, so now I'll show you in the transaction, like if any transaction I can mention O, then system automatically open new transaction code. Okay, see, if I remove the O /O, okay, and I press enter, then system give this is the unknown function code. But if I mention /O in that same screen, then system automatically open new screen for the material master display. Okay, and this screen also exists there, and system open in new screen. See, this is the system open new screen. Okay, and if I press the enter, anything I can maintain like BP. Okay, and press enter, then system close this screen and open new screen for that one. Okay, so system close the display material and open for the new BP transaction screen for the same screen. Okay, so this is the lesson. Okay, so we can also go with setting. If I don't want to do any changes like full display change, So we can also check in this, go to setting and we can check. Okay, so this is the change history, what we have done and what we have changed. Okay, so now I go to exit. Yeah, now what I see, how can we log off. Okay, so how can we log off then the same screen in the system? This is the similar, like we can click on that system, and if you see in the last button, the log off. Okay, if we can click on that one, system automatically close the system, we can log off. And second way we can also log off, /nex. This is the one command. If we maintain /nex, I mentioned, system automatically close the system. Okay, thank you so much for the watching.